Good morning, Nigeria. My name is MC Omaricha Smart, and I'm doing this video to you, the President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I salute you, sir, the President of this country. I salute you, sir. Sir, with due respect to your humble office, with due respect to your humble office as the President of this country, I'm here to throw you a challenge. And that challenge is, if you are truly the President of this country, if you are in charge of this country, if you are truly the Commander-in-Chief of this country, I hereby dare you to arrest and persecute Sheikh Gumi and El-Rufai, the two well-known people that are engaging with terrorists and bandits. I know that there are many of them in the north, but these two, we see, we hear. If you are the President of Nigeria, I dare you to arrest Sheikh Gumi and El-Rufai. If you are a man, do you know why? When Obasanjo was the President of Nigeria, he was a man. When Goodluck was Nigerian president, he was a man. When Babangida was Nigerian president, he was a man. When Abacha was Nigerian president, he was a man. When Buhari was Nigerian president, he was a man by arresting Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Now you are the Nigerian president, and you are a man by sentencing Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to life imprisonment. But I want you to complete that man you are by arresting Gumi, who is a known bandits negotiator and sympathizer. Do you know why I call Abacha a man? Abacha says that any insecurity that lasted more than 48 hours, the hands of government is there. Do you know why I call Obasanjo a man? He went to Niger Delta and killed a community. Do you know why I call Buhari a man? He arrested Mazen Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya, put it in prison, and leave it for you. You now come. You do not ask question. You sentence him to prison. And you would think that South East will vote for you in 2027. The North always play you people. You think that you know politics, South. But Southerners doesn't know politics. The Northerners are the masters of politics. The Northerners played you in the hands of the Southeast. Now you have become our enemy forever and ever. But no problem. I thank you for sentencing Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to prison. You are a man, but that your man is not complete. I dare you, if you are a man enough, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, if you are a man enough, arrest Gumi, arrest El-Rufai. If I see in charge of this country, if you are the president of this country, that you have swag, you have man, you look at yourself that I am a man and the president of this country, I dare you, Mr. President, to arrest Gumi. If you arrest Gumi and El-Rufai, then you are a man. But if you don't arrest Gumi and El-Rufai, definitely you are not a man and you are not in charge of this country. You can still send your army and security to come and arrest me. Yes, because in the hands of Igbo is where people get power. Because it's a crime to be an Igbo person in Nigeria. So send them to pick me up. It's only in the Southeast when I go show on power. Mr. President, I dare you to arrest Sheikh Gumi if you are really a man or the president of this country. It's a challenge. Do it and prove to me that you are still a man and the president of this country. Thank you very much and God bless you.